here early in the morning in Pattaya, Thailand. I'm about to have me a beautiful swim today. You guys see we had some breakfast. Tonight we're about to head to the night market, see what they got in store for us today. But welcome back to the channel. Again, it's Isha and Drew. Let's see what today has. I gotta catch you under. Okay, Drew, I do have one question. If it's anything that you could say your top #1 thing about Thailand, why do you love it here so much? Your #1 thing.
Because I get to spend it, I get to be here with you.
Oh.
That's my #1 thing.
Okay.
I've been a lot of places in the world and I enjoyed them way more with you than I would have done by myself.
Oh, you gotta be sweet.
That means you wouldn't have been sweet.
I wouldn't have been sweet. I don't know why he But no, seriously, that is #1 thing. Ever since having the opportunity to be able to see the world and the places that we came from, like we definitely did come from a struggle, and I'm pretty sure a lot of people did. I'm not going to feed everybody that long story of, you know, going wants me to jump in that water. It felt good though. It's not too cold either. Excuse my voice. I got a lot of water up in my ear. But this is just another beautiful morning. That's how we usually start it off. I skipped the gym today and went to the pool straight because it was actually so hot this morning. I got water stuck all in my ear, y'all. This is my girl Sue. She just invited me on a photo shoot, my first one. It was amazing. If you guys need anybody to take some photos, ask Sue. And she got you. How you say again? Thank you. And
say spasiba.
Spasiba. So we definitely started the day off right today. We had a beautiful swim. Introduce you guys to Sue. That was my first photo shoot today, and that was just nerve-wracking. A little nervous. Happy to be back at the house, and lunch is getting ready. It looks like Babe is about to make some type of pizza puff, Quaison, or whatever he's about to do. And then tonight we're going to take you guys to the night market because we haven't been to this one since they renovated it. So I'm so excited about that too as well. But today has just been pretty perfect. Can't complain. I think he's about to make some pizza puffs. Oh yeah. So we're from Chicago. And what we like is like a breading with pizza all on the inside. Chimichangas, if everybody know what that is. So deep fried, stuffed rolls. This sounds so amazing. We have to have lunch today before we go to this night market because it's just been a very, very busy morning. We did the photo shoot, we went swimming, we did all of that. So yeah, it's a pretty nice day. Taste tester time. Let's go. Okay. I don't even know. I'm gotta grab my own first.
No, take one of mine.
Okay.
I made this for you.
Whatever. This one look perfect though. I ain't gonna lie. I'm gonna dip it in some of this sauce. Sauce that up. Get this back.
Let me see that.
Oh, hot.
You see the cheese pool?
Oh, I love that.
Yeah? Let me get a little dip. One time.
That's good.
A little throw a little sauce on that bitch.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Your turn. That's what I'm talking about.
Mmm.
Yeah. Okay, y'all. Y'all know what time it is. We gotta get ready for lunch for dinner tonight. So let us have our lunch. Everybody, we'll be right back at one of Thailand's Pattaya food markets, night markets. So we're gonna check out and see what they have in store. We was here a long time ago when they first was getting built. So it's a lot of everything with waffles. Waffles and cheese, waffles and chicken. I think we tried that one last time, right? Ooh, this smells good right here. Oh, it's pork. Oh, it smells so good. Big old kebab. Yeah. That look good. Okay, we're gonna try to find something to eat first and give it a taste tester. And be right back. These two beef. They look amazing. I thought that was your phone. I'm like, you got people calling you. Kapong ka. All right. Let's get these to go. Yeah, right here. Hold that.
Yo, let's check it out. Let's go.
We're gonna see how these taste. Okay. Cheers.
Let's go.
Ooh, that's some tender. Okay, I like that. I like that. We use 2 for 20 baht.
Bruh.
That's very good. Like, no over exaggerating, that's actually very good. I haven't had no barbecue in a while.
The fat is so good.
I was about to say the same thing.
You got like fat and then meat, then fat and then meat.
Okay, I might spin back around to them. Because that was just good. We're going to try out a few more places. But this is number 1 right here. Not bad for the first try of the night. But you know. Oh, look at that hot pot thing over there. Volcano. Look like a honey pot. Yeah, yeah. That's amazing.
150 grams.
150 grams, 6 baht? Yeah. Okay.
And then you can choose the powder what you like. But sorry,
Which
I
sauce?
don't have English menu. I can explain English.
Okay. Oh, they got cheese.
Yeah, cheese, mayonnaise is barbecue. This is spicy.
Okay.
Yeah, paprika and Japanese chili. This is fish.
Cheese. And that's fish. You want to do cheese and mayonnaise or cheese? Which one you want to do? Or chili? Cheese and spice. Cheese and spice. Yeah.
Spicy. This one, this spicy more and this.
So I do more spice.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, babe. Cute. Like a little mushroom shop. Drew about to try it for y'all. It smells delicious. It smells delicious. It smells so good.
Yeah?
Yes.
Yeah.
Really good. Like a meat. Ooh, I can't wait. I'm gonna try it with you. I'm gonna try it with you because it smells good. Oh, I getting some sesame seeds. Huh? Yeah.
Take away or eat here?
We can eat here. Yeah. Thank you.
Cheese and spicy, yeah. You can
Thank you. Uh-huh.
cheese.
Kapong ka. Okay, we're gonna
really good.
Yeah.
Let's
Couple
see.
times. Move, bitch.
Oh, that's spicy. That's good. Yes. What type of mushroom?
I don't know the English word. This is a mushroom from Thai.
It's a Thai mushroom. Okay. That's very good. I can agree with that. We still get a top from them. That's good. I need to go get something to drink. I need something to drink. Yes. Yes. Adding that even to a like a noodle or something would be good. Cup and pie. Okay. Awesome.
I got it on my shirt.
I see you got it on your shirt. Okay.
Oh, you said you want to do it back there, right?
Yeah. You know I love me some chicken. Okay. Oh, and she got it overly battered over there too, y'all. Y'all see that? And a nice good fried big white. It's so hard for us to choose right now. That's why I said we got to spin around and then come back to y'all because it's a little difficult for us to choose.
From the States?
Yeah.
Chicago.
Nice to meet you.
I've been there one.
So we had to come back and get some old beef skewers because they was just absolutely amazing. And then they also have chicken halal place next door. And this looks good too. Check that out. Super cheese. That looks fire. Kapun ka. That place look good too. And then they got some fresh meat right on the skewer. Okay. Huh? Oh yeah. Huh?
I'm saying place for fried chicken rice.
Okay. Oh, I can see it from this side, yeah. This was great. Mushrooms. He loves them. I love the skewers and the wontons. They're perfect. We spent about 220 baht. So this wasn't bad at all, you guys. If you made it to the end of this video, thanks so much, you guys, for always supporting us on this journey. We couldn't be here without you.